Just fucking like he lives, cause we ain't trying. No, I'll be something that we ain't meant to be. But don't talk about it, don't talk about it. Oh, we don't need to talk about it, don't talk about it. Oh, I'm ready to the talking. I'm being serious. You look so good in my bed, baby, don't think you're serious. I've been building my throne and I did it alone. If you were curious, why I'm so cold but so hot in the sheets. My body has got this needs, and you got the good stuff, see.
Guys, also check out the other two parts of the entire Build Deep series. The links are in the description. My next video will be about wristbands. As always, if you like this idea, then give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you have any problem in getting this bench done, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. My next video will be uploaded in 1 week. See you next time.